This is Robert now from Canada. I want to show you how to prepare a barbecue without a barbecue grill using by tank gas. Okay, see, this is our meat for the barbecue for food for the work for tomorrow. Premiering now after painting the vehicle. Okay, as you can see, there's a maybe half kilo of pork with marinated with ingredients of pepper, bell pepper, and salt. Okay, with a little bit soy sauce. Okay, this is my style and tips. So we do this. Then plus sauce for the barbecue using this brush, this plate. We need a talk. We need a talk now. So okay, we can prepare now our food for tomorrow and supper before it's raining this afternoon. Okay. We need to use this grill, okay, by flipping like this so it's easy. Okay. Okay. First thing, okay, remove this one. With brush and sauce with onion, ketchup, or salt and bell pepper. Okay, so I wash only my hands. Put to start it. Please make sure if you start this preparation, okay, the ingredients: a half kilo or 1 kilo of marinated pork without fats, okay, without skin. So make sure this is already also the temperature is good. Okay, now we prepare now our delicious barbecue inside the backyard. Okay, okay, open this lid. See how to prepare the food for grill. I'm not using this with tank because you need a tank and you need to buy to 7-Eleven to refill the tank. It's almost approximately $60 every refill. So this is my basic fundamental tips if you have no grill like that. So I'm prepared now. So we talk one by one now for the food for tomorrow. We need to mix it well. See, so the thickness and the ingredients it's inside the meat. Okay, that spread it. Okay, spread it. See, you can put 2 pieces by one barbecue grill. So this is, oh, let's see how many we get. Okay, 1 piece there, small here, and another 1 piece again. Okay, so really tasty and yummy. See, so to prepare every cooking at the backyard. Okay, see, and the last one. Okay, that's my preparation now. For now, 2 pieces of grill. Yes, it's fine. It's fine. To how to prepare my food for today. Okay, ready to go. Ready to go. Yes. How to prepare a barbecue for tomorrow. Maybe these two grill. We can use this from Monday to Wednesday. This food for my lunch at work. Okay, lock tight because the charcoal is ready to heat now. Okay, let's go. Before it's raining. Yes. Okay. Another one. Yes. That's the preparation for grilling technique. I use the unique the unique grill for this food. A wheelbarrow. In wheelbarrow. That's the tips. If you have no available grill, so I have a unique grill stand. See? A wheelbarrow. See? This is the handle. See the shape? It's in the wheelbarrow. Okay. It's already how many times I use this for cooking in the grill. Okay. Maybe 45 minutes or 1 hour before already cooking. Okay. That's the grill tips for now. So for me, sometimes I use with ketchup and oil. Spread it. my style. See, sometimes if I'm lazy, I have no food, I'm going to order to the Boston Pizza for my food for tomorrow. So we need to flip it to make balance both sides. See? Interesting, eh? So if you love cooking, you cannot become hungry every time. You're always full, feeling full. See? How to cook or prepare my own food or for my kids. Spread everything. Don't need to waste the barbecue. Okay? Flip it again for the last time. You can buy this flipping screen at Dolorama. Cheap. And with the beautiful size line there. Okay. That's all. Tea. That's it. So if you're cooking this, you don't need too much fire. Like in Mon- like in Montana restaurant, only a little bit heat, no need with fire. After cooking corn, boiling a couple more than 1 hour, I continue burning this using these woods coming from the owners. Oh, it's raining for today. Maybe it's like a raining, so we need to rush this or continue inside. It depends the situation. That's the original grill instead using a tank when refilling, cost of $60 to refill it. This is the same because I used that coming from the tree last summer. He gave me a permission to use that woods for bonfire last winter. Okay. If you don't like burn like that, so you can use this to remove the fire. See? Because I don't like too much burn, only medium well. Because the last time I ordered in somewhere in Esteban's here in Canada, the well done is almost burned. So for me, if you grill like this, much better the medium well, so you can see the smoothness of the meat and taste of the meat, not like a taste of charcoal. You know what I mean? So that's what I like it. See? This woods is coming from the tree. There. See? Coming from the tree. That one. Inside the yard. The owners cut it last summer, so this now. These are the cutting woods. Last summer for free. See? Before almost level in the in the wall, but now see, as you can see, almost half of the wall now. Before coming summer, see, for free. So we need to flip it. Wow. Yes. Yes. Grill from Wellbarrow. Authentic style. Extra woods. This is my project. Last summer I will cut this. I used this for corn, cooking corn earlier for snacks, for midnight snack tonight. This is my project. See, I make my own cooking stand. Okay, with design, and this is the hub. If I'm cooking atinapa, mackerel, or what's that? Tilapia, tilapia fish. with tinapa flavor. This is I'm using for smoke fish in the Philippines. Okay, but for now, my delicious food for today and tomorrow. Okay, instead going buying. Wow, amazing. See, cheap. I buy always in Nobles for the cheap meats. If I a lots of budget, I buy 6 pieces to 8 pieces for my barbecue because this is my all-time favorite in chips. Unlike the beef, it's so expensive and what do you call it? Is lamb, a Middle East food. It's a sheep or a goat. So I must better focus in chicken legs or like a pork barbecue or barbecue grill. See, easy. Okay, easy and yummy. If you have a basic knowledge to cooking, do it to yourself. I make sure 100% you're not hungry every time, even at your work. See, see, easy. Okay, guys. Wow. Like a smoke grill. This work a little bit on the top just to make sure it's yummy.